Hi, I'm Jordan. This is my dad, Jim, the Grumpy Plumber. We get asked this question quite a bit. Do I tip a plumber? Hi, my dad, Jim, has been a plumber for 48 years. He's a master plumber in Michigan and a C36 licensed plumbing contractor in California. He has saved my wife and I thousands of dollars. But you just gotta watch out. He gets a little bit grumpy when he's giving advice, so don't piss him off. So Dad, should someone tip you if you come to your place?
Hell yes. I'll take your money. That's up to you, to tell you the truth. I mean, I did get tips, and if I had a helper or something with me that day, I usually would give them the tip. It's a nice suggestion to do it, but it's up to you. He's going to bill you. Usually it's an owner working at your spot. If it's not an owner and you like how courtesy and how clean the guy was and stuff, it wouldn't hurt to tip him. You tip a waitress in a restaurant that you hardly ever see, unless they're really good.
Is a plumber's wages based on getting tips?
No, not always. I started at $2 an hour. I gave up a better paying job to get into the trade. But it takes years to get up there, and nowadays wages are much better. But don't always believe the story that guy's making a lot of money. It depends on what they make. First off, it's really none of your business. And another thing, the company, it costs money for that company to operate. That truck ain't free out there. All that stuff in there, it's not free.
It's usually built in, though.
Yeah,
right?
Well, it's built into the hourly rate and the prices and stuff. And you want somebody that marks their materials up, because that helps pay for things. And you want to be able to see that guy year after year after year after year. It's that guy that doesn't mark things up that thinks he's giving you a great deal. You're getting a good deal and he's losing. Okay, so yes, I think if you want to, tip the plumber. And if I come to your house, you can really tip me well. And I have gotten some good tips.
All right, thanks so much for watching. So, should you tip a plumber? If you don't have to, but it's a nice gesture, especially if you want to come back, if you really appreciate the service and the extra effort that he gave or she gave, tip your plumber. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more tips from the Grumpy Plumber.
I hope you tip the guy.